Thanks Brite for sponsoring today's video. So these are just my honest reviews. Hi guys. Okay, today's video is quite different from the ones I usually do. Please welcome back to my channel at Aesthetic Planner, and if you are new here, please like and subscribe. I have this thing that I always procrastinate. I always kind of want to postpone things, and you must be wondering, how do I then manage my time? So I will let you know just in a bit. When you hear of the word Brite, what comes to your mind? Oh, not I didn't mean that type of Brite. I meant like Brite here. So Brite is an app, all-in-one productivity app at that helps you to organize your day, make it more productive, and guess what? Just guess what? And today I am super stoked to introduce you to all-in-one productivity app called Brite. Brite is a game-changing app that will revolutionize the way you tackle your daily tasks. It's called Brite, and trust me, it's about to make your life a whole lot easier. So what exactly is Brite now? Well, imagine having all your essential productivity tools in one sleek, one user-friendly app. With Brite, oh my god, you can wave goodbye to juggling multiple apps and say hello to streamline efficiency. First up, we have Task Manager. Now, Brite Task Manager allows you to create, organize, and prioritize your to-do list effortlessly. You can even set your dates, reminders, and even assign to your own team members if you're working on a group project, as it's got you covered on all corners. It's like having a personal assistant right at your fingertips. Yeah, exactly so. And speaking of organizations, Brite seamlessly integrates with your calendar. It's with Outlook. It syncs to your appointments, events, and even deadlines in one place. No more missing important meetings or forgetting like birthdays. Now let's talk about note-taking. Brite's note-taking feature is game changer. Like whether you're in a meeting or maybe brainstorming ideas for your YouTube as a content creator, or even you can jot down your thoughts quickly, like efficiently. Plus you can add images and memos and even share your notes with others. Like collaboration made very easy. How can that be? How can one app have all this? My god, are you someone who loves setting goals? Well, Brite has got it covered too. With its goal tracking feature, you can set targets, monitor your progress, and even celebrate your achievements. Like it's like having a personal cheerleader motivating you to every step of the way. Like, oh my god. Now I know you're thinking, its price available on all platforms. Yes, Brite is available on all platforms, whether you're an iPhone lover, an Android enthusiast, or even a web user. Brite has got apps and a web version that works seamlessly across all devices. So there you have it, folks. Brite, the all-in-one productivity app that will skyrocket your efficiency and help you conquer your day like a pro. Trust me when I say this, Brite is a game changer. Get ready to unleash your potential with Brite. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, for me to summarize all this, Brite helps you in a very different way other than the other rest of the productivity apps. As you can see, it has note-taking, it has to-do list, it has task, and everything you need just in one app. Can you imagine that? So right here on the screen, I'll be putting like the maybe screen recording or the screenshot of the app interface, the app logos, and also how the app is. I've been using the app for like a week now, and okay, I know it's sponsored, but this is just like my honest review. Nothing said in this video was used for like maybe because it's been is a collaboration or something, is sponsored. No, this is just my honest thoughts on it. I've been using the app for like 2 weeks and mind you, the app is the best. When I say the best, like I've used app like Notion, I've used app like Taskade, but with this, Notion is more like it's not like all in one. It's more like how should I say it? You have like, yes, we have notes, we have like tasks and to dos, and we have like calendar, we have like other things, but this one also have like reminders. Not only that, it has Brite also has this, what is it called again, when you should I call it I've forgotten the perfect word to use, like namaste. I don't know the name. I can't remember the name, but when you are in a very certain like calm mood and you kind of want to breathe in and all that, so Brite has got you covered on all corners. When I say like four corners, literally four corners. And this app, I use it every time because I set my reminders for sleeping time, my reminders for waking up time, my reminders for even going on appointments. Not like reminders, but this is more like you must do this. Like if you're someone who procrastinates a lot, you have to put that there, that I procrastinate, so you have to, it keeps hammering on your notification bell, do this, do this, do this, because if you don't do it, it's not going to work. And it also has focus time or focus routine. Maybe you are reading, you want to study, you want to do some certain things on your computer, and Brite will lock out all other apps and just leave it on maybe timeline or clock for you to be able to work without going about from one app to the other. It kind of makes you focus. Because why I think all-in-one app, I've been looking for an all-in-one app since. Why I think this is good is that it doesn't make you like, maybe on Notion or Taskade, like you see a notification, then you want to like go and check maybe on Instagram or something, but because you have everything, book calendar and everything on one app, you don't have to like go to another different app for it. Like you get what I'm saying. So that's all for today. I will see you guys on the next one. So I wanted to use my mic, but I kind of forgot. So Brite is all you need to make your day very efficient and very productive. So if you want to make your day bright, I think enough with the pun words. So if you want to make your day as bright as mine, go now and download Brite. Also for note taking, Brite is not yet available on the Android version. Sorry about this. I know I mentioned it earlier. Maybe I might have said it's available, but they said it's available, but it's not available yet because they are not done with the app. But for Apple users and web users, you guys can go on and enjoy your Brite app. So that's all for today. Please download Brite. I will be putting the link down in the description so that you guys can go and check it out. And thanks Brite for sponsoring today's video. See you guys on the next one. Bye, ciao, love you.